back to my channel. So today we're doing a little bit of a resin experiment. I've got some pigment pastes I want to test and some pigments. And today I'm working with the Mastercast resin that was kindly gifted to me. I'm having to hurry because this one actually sets up pretty fast. So let's get to adding some pigments. So let me show you the colors. So there's a lot of air. Got this one. Purple. This is a pretty pearl. And the pigment paste. And the color shifting, the nice chocolate. And then I want to put some gold leaf into this one. So let's see if we can do that without making a really big mess. Never tried this, so okay. Let's try and break that up a bit. So I really like the gold flakies. Looks about right. Okay, let's just start pouring. I have no plan. And let's start adding the colors here. I think I might actually start with the gold leaf. And I really have to hurry because they're really getting hot. So let's clean up and let this cure. I'm going to pop some bubbles in a bit, but we'll see how this turns out. It's unmolding time. It's been about 24 hours. Let's unmold this together. I was waiting for the sun to come out, but it doesn't want to play today. So let's just get it out. Oh, that's nice and easy. So I do have a little lip, but I don't mind because I can always pour a little bit more, or I just can take it off. So let's see how the other side is looking. So let's turn on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's really pretty. It's not what I expected. I really thought that my center would be a lot more clear. And you can see I definitely didn't mix my white good enough. But I might actually prefer this side. because you can see the gold leaf in here. So let's see the other one. It's probably just going to be the same. So yes, it is. It has a little bit more of a clear center because I lost like all my colors except the brown and the white and a little bit of the blue. Let's do this. So these are the stands. This is the back side. This is the front. So this is way more what I like. Really pretty. This one out. Really hoping that this wants to come out in one go. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's see if the bigger pieces want to come out. So I don't want to damage the mold, I want to make some more. Okay, so this is the back side. Let's turn it over. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. See, here you still have a little bit of the purple. And somehow I didn't get the white specks on this, even though it's the same mixture. So that's something to look forward to in the next one, but let me quickly try and put it together. So here's it all done. So these just fit in the slots, like so. It went together just really easy. I really didn't expect it to just pop in the holes, but it went perfectly fine. This is the first time I'm trying this mold. So I'm gonna try and make 2 more coasters and see if I can get a little bit better of an effect. But I'm really happy about the stand. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone!